water, that's when we're going to use it for cooking. Now we cannot use it for cooking now, because it's into a stone. Okay, for example, for a kilo of corn, we're gonna use like 2 tablespoons of limestone and boil our corn for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So when that happens, this breaks a protein into the corn so our body can be able to use the calcium and vitamin B. The ancient people didn't know the benefits. Now we know.
But they did it anyways.
Yeah, and this also made, when you cook the corn and make tortillas, bind the corn together so you can be able to pat a tortilla. Without that, you're not going to be able, to make a tortilla. This made the corn bind together. And also, this don't have many uses. We use it to make crystallized candies. We just soak the fruit in limestone water, Probably like in 4 liters, we're going to put like 3 tablespoons and soak the fruit for 1 day. So next day, we wash our fruit, take the limestone water out and wash it with clean water, then make the honey and put the fruit into the honey to cook. So then we have our crystallized candy. We also use it to wash the intestine of the animals, to take all the dirt out, everything. And you can use it for construction too, to put the bricks together. And also we use it to paint walls. We use calcium oxide, the big round cactus leaves that you see, and the air color that you like. You mix everything together and paint your wall. We also use it to wash gourds. Jicaras, we put the limestone water inside, take all the seeds out, and you have a nice gourd inside,
Lots of uses for it.